तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा दिस इज 50th year of 50th edition of International Film Festival of India जावपाचें आसा. So as announced earlier, we'll be having various activities through ESG for filmmakers and film lovers of the state. So in this regard, first time Film and Television Institute of India, that is FTI, in collaboration with Entertainment Society of Goa, will organize a workshop of 2 certified short courses of 20 days, namely Foundation course in Screen Acting and Foundation course in Screenplay Writing. This will be held at ESG for 20 days.
Repeat करा.
Yeah. Film and Television Institute of India, in collaboration with Entertainment Society of Goa, will organize a workshop of 2 certified short courses, each of 20 days, namely Foundation course in Screen Acting and Foundation course in Screenplay Writing. This will be held at ESG from 13th April to 2nd May 2019. This will be a full day course, and the application forms for this course will be available from 15th February on www.esg.co.in. The fees for the acting course will be 20,000 and fees for screenplay writing will be 19,000. The course have limited 25 seats only, and admission will be given on the first come first serve basis. ESG will accept applications along with demand draft or payment by debit card or credit card in the ESG office from Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. That is during the office hours. The last date of submission of application is 5th March 2019.